What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and today it's blueberry time. So we're making blueberry biscuits, also known commonly around here, if you go to the Bojangles or Bojangles, Bo-Berry Biscuits. We're making them homemade. We're gonna make them good, and I'm excited. The kids recently went to the blueberry farm, and they got some fresh blueberries. So I'm gonna use those today. They've been stemmed and cleaned. We're ready to roll. So here we have 2.5 cups of self-rising flour in my sifter. I got some buttermilk. My other buttermilk had expired. Rest in peace. And a stick of butter. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. We're just gonna sift our flour on down. Get all the lumps out. Make sure it's not clumpy. And with the Bo-Berry biscuit, you like it a little sweet. You don't want it, you want to be sweet with those blueberries and everything else. Maybe like a touch of vanilla, a little bit of sugar, just a pinch, not too much. If you don't have a sifter, these sifters are like 99 cents at Walmart. It's a heat wave in North Carolina. I'm wearing this shirt. It makes it feel airy, so I don't get as hot. So, flour's in, our butter. I'm gonna grate my butter on into my flour, and then we're gonna fork it in, combine it all together. These gloves are fantastic. Um, they make it so you don't cut yourself when you're using a grater. And if you're looking for a pair of these gloves, I will have them linked into my Amazon storefront. So now that we got our butter, with our butter, I'm gonna go ahead and start incorporating that on into my flour. The most dreaded part of the summer is we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees. But it's still early in the morning, so it's not going to be too terrible. So once you get everything forked in, get your buttermilk. We're going to get a cup of this stuff. A little bit over a cup. And we're just going to start forking that on in. Dust my countertop a little bit. Pour out my dough. A little bit more on top and on my hands. All right. Bring in some blueberries now. Start kneading them into my dough. And I love a good blueberry. All right, grab a pan, spray it on down. It's in the oven. If you ever had a Bo-Berry biscuit, there's always glaze on top. So we're gonna make that glaze. It's gonna be some powdered sugar. I'm gonna do about a cup. Or 2/3. Yeah. Do 2/3. Add some vanilla. All right, forget paying drive-thru prices, especially when we got our own homemade Bo-Berry biscuits. So I'm just going to take some of my glaze that I made. We're going to open this bad boy on up. Oh, yeah. The only thing left is to give it a try. Mm-hmm. Sweet, savory, delicious. I'm going to go feed my family. I love you. If you will, like, comment, and subscribe. And this blueberry will catch you in the next one. Peace.